It's Estelle Day, and I'm sitting at my grandparents' house, Jan and Frank Day, in Malibu, California, and I'm in the Jafra Beauty Bar wearing my fabulous hair wrap. Today, I'm going to be reviewing my favorite Jafra shampoo and conditioner, the Botanical Expertise Hair Care. This is so vital to my everyday routine in the shower. Number one, the Jafra Botanical Expertise Hair Care smells like you are in a botanical garden. It is the best smell ever when you get in the shower and out of the shower. And, in these times, I find it so important that I feel, that my shower is filled with senses and aromas and, the smells of refreshment. My personal routine has become, and my personal care routine during the quarantine has become so important. It's become a ritual for me. Like working out, doing a mask, doing my revitalized ritual, getting in the shower, using my salt scrub, having amazing hair care that I love that smells so rejuvenating, doing like a body scrub, all these things. I've been doing like a crazy ritual every day just to make myself feel better because it's really hard to be quarantined and to not have people to talk to every day and not be able to go everywhere. So this is part of my daily, and it was a part of my daily routine before, but it's really become a part of it now. So that's Jafra Botanical Expertise Hair Care. These two products have aloe extract and green tea, and they're great for everyday hair care. They're very light. They're something you can use every day. And they're just incredible. They're my absolute favorite shampoo and conditioner from Jafra in the world. I love these two products. And they can be easily found if you don't have a Jafra consultant. Or if you do have a Jafra consultant. But if you go to Jafra.com and go on the first page and you just scroll down to Bath and Body, which is right here, click on it, and this shampoo and conditioner will come up. If you just scroll down, there's actually so many amazing products here. If you go to Jafra.com, these are all personal products that you don't need to leave your house for. You can just order them directly from Jafra.com. I just reviewed that. I just released that review today. That's one of my favorite products too. But if you just scroll down, you will find the shampoo and conditioner. Let me just find it. This one right here on Jafra.com. You'll find that. The shampoo and conditioner. It is so incredible. It's called the Moisture Replenish Shampoo and the Moisture Replenish Conditioner. And I will tell you that a couple years ago, I had really short hair, and not because I wanted my hair to be short. I had very short hair and I wasn't using these products. And my hair could not grow long no matter how hard I tried. I did not cut it. It just couldn't grow because I was dyeing my hair blonde, as I still am now. And I started using these two products. And even though they're very light and good for every day, they really brought back the moisture in my hair. And my hair in the past couple of years has grown so long and so beautiful. And again, these two you must try. And the smells, oh, they smell so good. It's so refreshing. I love them. I love them. I love them. These are a must-have. Jafra.com. Click on the icon Body and Bath on the splash page, the first page, and scroll down and you will find these products. And also, there are so many amazing personal products at Jafra.com that are so incredible right now because they can get shipped straight to your house. We have deodorant, we have bath and shower gel, we have, amazing salt scrubs for the bath. We have lotions, we have body oils, we have shampoo and conditioner, we have incredible hair care that like even more nourishing than these. We have some like oil you can put in your hair and it makes it really beautiful. Go check it out, Jafra.com. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Shipped straight to your front door. These are incredible essential products, and I'm just so grateful that we don't have to go anywhere for them. We can just get them delivered straight to us. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more reviews of my favorite Jafra personal essential products. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified when a new video comes out. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye.